Hey there, welcome to your Shopify store customization full course. In this course, we are going to learn how to customize Shopify store and upgrade your design from general store to eye-catching, SEO-friendly and user-friendly store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have built your Shopify online store with that theme, then this course will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. So, let me explain what we are going to learn in this course in a short time. First of all, we are going to start from the top section. From here, then we will start working on the header section. We will increase the header section height, then we will work on there, looks here. Also we will make center this text in here, then we will work in here to improve the design, then we will start working others. So to start customization, first of all I am going to my Shopify admin panel of this store. Here is the Shopify admin panel, then click on the online store, then here is the customize, click on it, and now we are going to start working from top section. So first we work on the announcement bar, and here you can see that we have added announcement bar, and first we wanted to change the color of this announcement bar. So click on here, change color. We can change color from here very easily as our requirement. Okay, so you can see that there are 5 color scheme, but if we want to use or add another color scheme in here, then what we have to do? It's super easy. First we have to click on the theme settings, then colors, and you can see that there are 5 color scheme, 1 2 3 4 5, and now we are going to add another color scheme. So click on this plus icon, then search UI color on Google and open anyone from here. So select this one. Okay, then going to select this one. Now we are going to create a new color scheme. So text color, so click on here, select any color from our requirement or as our requirement. So I am going to select this one. This one will be our background color. Okay, then select this one for solid button background color. Okay, then text color will be this. So simple, just click on the save. We have added another color scheme, and this color scheme name 6. Go back, click on the customize section or sections option. Now click on the change. You can see that there is a color scheme 6, so click on it. Looks, it's different right now. Also if you want to change this color scheme color, for example we wanted to change the background font color, looks here, and background color will be, I hope you understand. It's so easy. We can use this color in here, looks here. Okay, so I hope you understand how we can change the color or add new color scheme in here. Then we can enable country and religion from here. Then we can enable country and region from here. Then if we add more announcement bar in here, for example add another announcement bar, there will be a slideshow or slide option. Looks here, we can make it auto rotate announcement that will change every 5 seconds. Looks or wait 5 seconds, then you can see. Also we can add link in any product or pages. For example, we are going to add link in any categories, then it will be linked. Looks here, it's now linkable. Okay, so I hope you understand how we have worked in there. So I'm going to remove the social icon. Then we are going to work on the footer section. In the footer section, you can see that we can change the logo position in anywhere based on our requirement, like top center or top left or middle center. It's totally different on our requirement. So right now we are going to make it top center. Perfect. Then we can make it sticky. For example, looks very carefully, when we scroll down it's sticky and logo size becomes smaller, and we can control this option from here. Looks here, sticky always, that's mean it will be always sticky. Reduce logo size, also we can make it sticky always. Looks here, now logo don't change, and right now you can see that the logo not reduce of its size. Okay, so we are going to make it always and reduce logo size. Looks good. Okay, then like previous we can change the color scheme. Also we can add another color scheme in here. Okay, and here is the menu color scheme. Looks here, here is the multiple menu color scheme. We can use anyone as our requirement, and we can add the spacing based on our requirement, and we can change the size of this header by changing the top padding and bottom padding. So first I'm going to change top padding, then bottom padding, it's increase it. Okay, then we are going to the image header section. In here we can change the desktop content position from here, like make it middle center, and you can see that the content right now on the middle center. Also you can change the content alignment. Looks here, here is the content alignment. So click on the center, then all the content alignment will be in the center. Okay, then animation behavior, we can change the animation behavior from here. Select zoom in on scroll. Looks here, also you can use another option name fixed background position, then ambient movement, and you can see that the image is moving automatically. And I hope right now you can change this option by yourself. Okay, now if you want to increase the banner height, then you have to work on there or change in here. For example, I'm going to make it large. Looks, now the banner height large, then I can make it medium, and medium looks more better and perfect. Okay, then we are going to work on the text description. We can change this text description size make it uppercase, lowercase as our requirement as we want. Also we can add link on this text. Just add a link. For example, we are going to add a product link, then this text will be linkable. Looks here. Also you can make it bold from here. It's bold, italic as our requirement. Okay, perfect. Then we are going to work on the heading. In the same way, we can add link in the heading, make it bold, make it italic, and then the button. In the button, there have an option to use outline button style. Now it's outline button style. Also you can add another button, for example free order. Added free order, then we can link with any pages, for example contact, and make it use outline button style. So we have added two buttons in here, and I hope you understand how we have changes this section. So easy and simple. Also we can change this header background color. I think if we use white color, then it will be more good, but our logo color is white, that's why we are going to change it. Okay, perfect. Okay, then we are going to work on the multi-column. In the multi-column, we can change the alignment of icon. Here is the multi-column section. Looks here. And first I wanted to change the top padding and bottom padding. 28 pixel, 28 pixel. I think we should make it more space. Okay, now it's perfect. Then we can make it one column or two column. Enable sweep on mobile. For example, click on here and it's right now sweep or sliding. If we remove this check or check mark, then the sweeping on mobile will be disabled. So we should keep it checked. Okay, perfect. Then here is the rich text. This is the rich text section that we have done using the color scheme 3 and just add a simple text in here. So easy. And here we can add more style than previous. For example, heading 1 2 3 4 5 6, list style, bullet list, number list as our requirement. So I hope you understand how we can change this section. Then we are going to work on the featured collection. So here first we are going to add padding in the top. So add padding. Perfect. Then we have to do another importance work in here. So first I'm going to save it, then check our website. Also go to the customer section again. It's total difference than previous. Now we wanted to change the title alignment, this one. So I just select this alignment by click on the inspector, inspect, then click on the element selector icon. Now we can move the text alignment in center. Going to add a class in here, text alignment center. Looks good. Also we can add border button 1 pixel solid. Okay, looks good. We can change the button color. F9, F9, F9. Now they are a very small or little size color. Okay, looks good. Then click on the right button of your mouse, just click on the copy rules and go to the customize section and scroll down, go to there, featured collection, and simply scroll down, custom CSS, add, paste the code that you have copied. Looks here, it has been go to the center. Click on the save. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, then we are going to work on other things. For example, we wanted to change the color of product title on hover and also want to remove the underline on hover. Okay, so how we can do this? We cannot do it from the by default customization because there is no option. You can check it by yourself, but I'm going to give you the correct guideline that there is no option to change the underline or hover color. Okay, to do this, go to the home page again and scroll down. Okay, we're going to find out. Okay, so click on here, add a new code, hover, color red, text decoration none, and now you can see that the color has been changed. Okay, we are going to change the hover color right now. Then we'll work on the text decoration later. So copy this code, paste it in here, click on the save. Now we have to check, then reload. Okay, now you can see that the product title color has been changed on hover. Then go to the customize section, then we're going to the next section, multi-column, and this is collection list, and in the collection list there is heading customization section. We can change this title, or we can change this title from here, make it bold, italic or linked, change the header size. Looks very carefully. Also you can change the image ratio. Looks here, as our requirement. Okay, then we can enable view all. Also we can enable sweep on mobile. Looks good. So going to click on the save, then reload, and now going to change the color of this button. So click on the inspect, select this button. Okay, then add new class, class name button, on hover, changing the background color red just for test. Looks here, it's changing, so we're going to use different color for sure. Okay, now if we go to the button, yes, looks good. Also going to change the color of text on hover. Perfect. So copy and paste it on here. Looks, we have changed it. Okay, so then we are going to work on here. Go scroll down and here is the multi-column. Looks here, and we already know how to work on the multi-column, and right now I'm going to show you something different. For example, we want to change background, so click on the show as column background, and you can see that here is the column background and it looks more better than previous. So click on here, scroll down. So now going to reload. It looks good, and we wanted to add something more special. For example, want to hover effect, so click on the inspect, then select this column and select it, add class. Okay, we can work on here. Just copy this class, add class, and on hover background now green. So we want to show the huge difference. Okay, and now going to change the background color based on our requirement. For example, we wanted to change the background color, we can change, looks here. Also if we want to change it, okay, now looks here. Okay, then copy rule, scroll down, we have added. Okay, also we can change the link color, this link color, just add hover effect, color, okay, looks here. So going to copy this rule, copy it, remove second hover, multi-column hover, yes, perfect, save. Now reload. It's more better than previous. Also we can add animation effect in here. So I'm going to my website e-commerce thesis and simply copy a simple code that I have implement on my e-commerce thesis website. Looks here, scroll down, transition, copy, go back, just simply copy it and transition, okay, Okay, save, and the hover changes very fastly. We have added new code so that it show with a animation effect. Looks here, it's take a little bit time, so I hope you understand. Okay, now we're going to next section. This is the featured collection. We have already worked on the top featured collection. Looks here, we have worked on this featured collection, so we are not going to do anything in here. Then multi-column, we already work on the multi-column. Okay, and in the multi-column we can change the color scheme. Looks here, we have changes the color scheme. We can edit the background color, for example. Yes, looks good. Okay, just click on the save, and finally we are going to work on the footer section. So click on the footer, and in the footer we can change the color scheme as our requirement. Looks here, we can also add custom color. Then we can show the email subscription from, or remove. Then enable follow on shop, so social icon, but we are going to uncheck this option, so that because there are already social icons. Then enable country region selector, language selector, payment method. We have not added any payment method as we are developing this site. This is not the real site. Show privacy policy. Looks here, is the privacy policy. Then the margin and padding. Looks here, perfect. Yes, okay, so I hope you understand. Then click on the save, reload, perfect. We have changed everything as our requirement. Added link, add slide effect, then add sticky header, also increase the height of this slider, add 2 button in here, changes the position, changes the style, add height of this section. Also work on the title. We have changed the title alignment from left to center. Also we have worked on the button of top categories section. Then we have worked on this multi-column, changes the color on hover. Then we have worked on this section again, and finally we have worked on the footer section. So I hope you understand everything very clearly, how we can customize our store from the theme customization option, also how we can implement the simple little bit code to make big difference or big changes. So everything I have shared very easily, so that you can understand everything as a non-technical person, and I have tried my best to show you everything as much as possible, so that you can design your store without hiring any developer. So thank you for your time to complete this course. If you think this course is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.